Good example, you can just go outside after the session and sit down, have coffee and write a story. Trust me, it'll work. It's very simple. You start with the idea, you have to imagine something, okay? So let's you just imagine something. You look very tense, but it's okay. Just relax.
I imagine just hosting the next event.
Okay, you imagine, what's his name?
Dennis.
Dennis imagines hosting the next event. Now, somebody will get up and give a twist to that. Yeah.
What if the judge doesn't show up? What is he supposed to do then?
Okay, a bigger twist. Anybody get dramatic, yeah? Use your cinematic sensibilities. Yeah.
What if the roof falls down?
See, that's a big twist. What if the roof falls down? Now, Dennis has family, he's got friends, he's got a girlfriend who's waiting for him in the evening for a date, and God knows what. And the roof falls down. And then what happens? Now, that's a story. Idea. That's a story idea. Just a brief story idea. Now you elaborate. How do you elaborate? You create a background for Dennis. Why he's here? Why he wants to be here on the podium talking? What are his dreams? What are his aspirations? And why does the roof fall down out of everything? Who's responsible? And what happens after that? Do the students come together and fight against the system for the roof falling down and Dennis getting injured? Do they create a dharna outside the college? Or do they mend the roof on their own and create a stronger roof? That's the story idea.